Chip Techbo's new product, and we've got this new magnetic radiator from Benks. So this is for smartphone gamers. That's what it looks like on the box there. So on the side you've got silent and noise free, strong magnetic attachment, fast cooling and light and portable, and Benks on this side here. So let's have a look and see what this is all about, which is very interesting. So you don't have to get, if you're not familiar with gaming phones, you might notice that they do come with built-in fans and all that kind of stuff to keep them cool. This is just an alternative, and the box is difficult to open. There we go. So first of all, you've got a manual here, and that's basically in that. Here's the product here, well presented. So let's get all this stuff out. Right, so there we go. So we have our cable here, which is USB-C, USB-C, and we have the unit itself there. So that's basically it there. You'll pop that off. You'll also get this ring if you've got an Android device here as well, or another device. You can use this to stick on. As it's a magnet, you'll just pop that onto the back of your phone and it's on, and that's basically it. So let's take it off, test it out and see what it's all about. It looks really cool as well. Besides being a functional product, it's got a really cool technical look to it. So let's have a look. Okay folks, so we're back with the Benks magnetic radiator SR05 according to the box there, and that's it there. Pretty neat looking piece of kit. There's nothing really to it to use it. In fact, you just plug it on, power it up, and you stick it to the back of your phone. So what you'll get with your case is, or your product as well, is a sticker to put in the back of your phone, and then you would stick this on your phone. As you can see, we have on our Pixel 6. So I've just after been testing it there, playing Reset Earth, playing it for a couple of hours. Actually, it's a great game, and I'll just show you quickly what it looks like if you haven't seen it. Check it out there. So it's on our website actually, techbuzzwhirlwind.com, but do check it out. So that's what you're going to have there. So you just use these two pieces here, you stick this on first and then this on, and that will stick the unit onto the back. So that's the unit there, and you've just got one LED and that's it, and your magnetic piece here. Now this gets really cold. It's really cool if you're warm yourself. You can pull it off and you can feel how cold it actually is. So it does work, you know, for cooling your device down. One thing to keep in mind is if you have that on, you're going to lose your wireless charging, and that's basically it. This is very, very quiet as well, which you're going to hear now in a second. And it's simply a must-have for people who are using their phones heavily and all that kind of stuff that don't have built-in heat dissipation tools like you have on a lot of gaming phones of late. So that's, this piece here is just going to replace that, and it looks nice, you know. It's a nice piece of kit as well. It's not some boring thing, but it has some element of design on it there, and it's really cool how it works. The fact of the matter is how cool it gets. It's freezing, which is really good, and will save your phone. And that's all you need to do. You just get this. You can power it by your phone or power it in by the main. So I'm going to plug it in now and let you listen to it. Here we go. You see an LED light come on to let you know, and that's it there. Just sticks on like that and the job is done. Simple as, and you can just twist it off. Simple as that, and you'll feel it, and it sticks really well too. So that's another thing to keep in mind as well. Just don't reef it off. But if you can hear it there, I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to try and plug it in up close so you can see. And you can feel it getting cool already, the touch on the back, which is really nice. So it is a quiet piece of kit as well. It's not going to be noisy or anything like that, like some fans can be on, say, your bigger gadgets and all that. You can hear the wind, but it's really cold. Obviously you can't see it here, but it's really cold to touch, and it does work, and it passes through then onto your smartphone and cooling it down. Particularly if you're into the game and you don't have a gaming smartphone, this is something that you should look at and check out. And it's not expensive either, and it's about 38 quid, which isn't bad compared to what you're going to pay for a full-fledged gaming smartphone. This can just pop on the back of your phone with a magnet, and job is done, and there you have it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll drop a link below where you can pick it up and you can check it out there. And this is what the box looks like here, as you would have seen in the unboxing. And it's a simple product, and that's it. It's just plug and play, job done, no messing around, no apps, no nothing. And that's it. That's how you do it. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.